Good evening and welcome back to Math Class in Session. I am Miss Adams, who is the 4th grade math teacher at OVE. It has been a long time since we've been together to partake in an activity or a lesson. And we have come to a lesson that we need some little assistance. And it's okay. That's what I'm here for. So today's skill that we're going to learn how to successfully solve for is finding the area of composite shapes. Shapes, figures. But the shape we're working with today will be the shape of a rectangle. Yes, a shape of a rectangle. So, let's get ready. First thing we must know in finding the area of any rectangle or composite shapes of rectangles is the formula. Yes, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. Okay? Area equals length times width. You may see it written as A equals L times W. Or you may see area equals base times height. And that's the same or synonymous to length times width. And you may also see it written as A equals B times H. Okay? So, let's move over to finding the area of a composite shape. I am going to draw a composite shape. There's a composite shape. So let's turn it so you can see. Very good. So we're going to give it some dimensions, little characteristic. So from this line to this line, we're going to say that is per se 8. Pen don't want to write. It's okay. We're going to get it together. 8 centimeters. From here to here, we're going to say it is 12 centimeters. Okay? from this point to this point, what can we say? That is 3 centimeters. From this point to this point, 4 centimeters. And this point to this point, we can say it's 3 centimeters. And from here to there is 6 centimeters. Okay, so now we have our composite shape. Now, when dealing with the composite shape, what do you think? How do you think we're supposed to attack it? Because it says I have to do area equals length times width. What's the length and what's the width? Okay. Now some of you are saying we have to multiply all the numbers all the way around. No, we do not. No, no, no. We cannot. Remember, it says composite shapes. And remember, with composite, that means more than one is put together. So, we know we're dealing with rectangles. Let's first figure out where the 2 rectangles lie. Now, I see it 2 ways. I can go from here to here with my line, or I can go from here to here with my line. So I'm going to do an easy, simple way. How about that? I'm going to go here to here. Now I created 2 rectangles. As you see, 2 rectangles. Here's rectangle A. Here's rectangle B. In order to get the area of the entire shape, I have to find the area of rectangle A, and then find the area of rectangle B, then combine the 2. Yes, combine the 2, it will give me the entire area of the composite shape. Okay? Get ready. So, here is A. Rectangle A. Always write your formula. Area equals length times width. And we have to get ready to plug in our numbers. Do I know what my area is for A? Of course not. So unknown is A until I know it. The length of area A, it is not 12, because 12 goes all the way across. Look what's happening. The 12 is being cut. So it's not 12. What do you think it is? Yes. We look up here. It's 8, because what's up here is the same down here. So the length is 8 centimeters square times width 6. Okay? So now I multiply 8 times 6. I still do not know what A is, but I know what length and width is, and 8 times 6 is correct. 48. Don't forget your unit of measurement. Centimeters squared. So it's square centimeters. That's for rectangle A, which is 48 square centimeters. Now I have to do rectangle B. In rectangle B, always remember, start with your what? That's right, formula. A equals length times width. I do not know what A is, so therefore I need to plug in for length and width. So from here to here, yes, you got it. 4 centimeters, because what's up here is down here. 4 centimeters times with 3 centimeters. That was easy. Yeah. The A equals 4 times 3. You got it. 12. And what's the unit of measurement? Centimeters squared. Square centimeters. So B is 12 squared centimeters. Always remember to put your unit of measurement, and especially when we're doing area, it is squared, whatever the unit of measurement is. Without that, it's wrong. So now we must combine the two. Add the two. So whatever's A is plus B. So A is 48 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared. That's going to give us 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1. 10 plus 40 plus 10 more. Yes, is 60. 60 square centimeters. The entire thing is 60 square centimeters. Okay? Let's do one more. Good job. Give yourselves a hand. Great job. So now, let's go with okay. That is the composite shape. Let's give it some dimensions. We're going to say this is 7 meters. This one is 6 meters. Okay, we're thinking. Trying to do a good one. See, when you get them, you're going to have to think of any. Ms. Adams has to think of some. Yes, I do. This would be 4 meters. This one is 2 meters. This one is 3 meters. This one 5 meters. And this one's 5 meters. And this one's 13 meters. Okay. Here we go. So we now have this composite shape. How many triangles do you think is in this shape? Oh, yes. Very good. There are 3. There are 3. But I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go this route because I cut that one up. And I cut that one up. So here is A, B, C. Do you see the 3 rectangles? Very good. So now, just like before, we have to find the area for A, the area for B, the area for C, and combine all three. Yes. Rectangle A, area equals, I'm going to do base times height. How about that? Doing base times height. So with base times height, area equals the base. Base is the bottom, what it sits on. Right here, what it sits on. Oh, it's right there. 5. Height, how tall is it? Ooh, look, 4. So, A equals 20 square meters. And that's another way you can write it with the SQ and the unit of measurement. So let's find B. Rectangle B, we got to do plus. Is area equals base times height. Okay, area gets base times height. Area equals, what's the base of B? Ooh, look, that's easy. Here it is. 13 times height. Oh, we have, that's not 6. Oh, and that's not 7. Ooh, and this is not 7. But if I say that's 4 from here, I want you to see it. That's 2. So I'm going to say this is 2. So that's 2. Should have been something else. This is what you come across when you make up your own dimensions. We are going to call this one 3. 3. And now let's see. Yep, so that'll give me 1. And that'll give me 1 up here. So if I take 4 from 6, if I take 4 from 6, that'll give 2. This should have been 10. Miss Adams stumped now, but it's okay. We finna get it because we did it. We gonna get it. We did it. We're gonna get it. It's the sides that's confusing me now. That's 1 meter. And this is what I expect you to do. Work through your struggles. This is a perfect example of working through your struggles. Oh, it's 3. This is 3. So the height is 3. Very good. So we're going to multiply 13 times 3. 3 times 3, correct. 3 times 10, but it's not really 10, it's 1 because we're multiplying long way. And that is 3. 39 square meters for B. Don't believe me? Let's put it in the area model for multiplication. 10 and 3. And this is 3. 30 and 9. 30 plus 9 is 39. It works out. Rectangle C. Area equals base times height. Area equals, we on C, base is 3. times 3, and A equals 9 squared meters. Add them together, 20, 39, and 9. 9 9's 18, carry my 10. 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 30 more is 60. So the answer is 68 square meters. That's the total, 68 square meters. Okay. Now, just in case you got confused with this one, let's do one last one. One last one. All right. Okay. Ten feet, 5 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, 7 feet, 6 feet. Alrighty. Think everybody's covered. So let's break it down to my rectangles. Cut the 10 up. Cut the 10 up again. This should be easier. This is A, B, C. Rectangle A. Area equals length times width. Length. Area equals 6 times 3. There's the L. Perfect L. Area equals 18 square feet. Rectangle B. Area equals length times width. Area equals length from here on up. Looks like it's 5 times 2. Area equals 5 times 2 is 10 square feet. Plus rectangle C. Area equals length times width. Area equals length, all the way up, 7. And width. There's another L. 5. So area equals 35 square feet. Combine all three. 18, 10, 35. 8 and 5, 13. Carry the 10. 10, 20, 30, 60, 63. 63 square feet. Okay. So that is actually how we find the area of composite shapes. Always follow the formula of area times length times width, or base times height. Combine the 2 or 3. With 4th grade, you shouldn't have no more than 3. Combine the 2 or 3 and you total it out, making sure you use your unit squared. Unit squared, that's the 2 with the raised or SQ in the unit. Hopefully this video, at some point in here, you understand how to find the formula or find the area of combined shapes. This is also how to find the area of a rectangle. If you have any questions, please relay them to me and I'll be glad to help you. But until next time, which will be equivalent fractions, I will see you again. Thank you.